Hello all, I am Amol Chaudhary from the Department of ENTC Engineering of AI SSMS IIT Pune. In this video, I will be discussing concepts of project management. Project management purpose is to minimize or counter the risk and organize and direct the resources so that project will be finished in time within budgeted cost and with the functional or other design objectives fulfilled. The types of project includes manufacturing projects, construction projects, management projects, research projects. Manufacturing projects are the projects where the result will be of the form of a vehicle, a ship, aircraft, a piece of machinery, etc. Whereas construction projects are the projects in which the result will be in the form of construction of building, erection of bridges, roads, tunnels, etc. Also, petrochemical and mining projects can be grouped into construction projects. Management projects include the organization or reorganization of work without necessarily producing a tangible result. Examples of management projects will be the design and testing of new computer software package, relocation of company's headquarters, or the production of stage show. And the research projects includes the projects in which the objectives may be difficult to establish and where the results are unpredictable. Project usually has three objectives: function or performance. These objectives of function or performance refers to the final result that must satisfy the requirements from the end user. Considering a project to develop a racing car, the objective must be to produce a vehicle that satisfy the specified standards for the performance, reliability, and safety. Containment of expenditure within budget is another criteria for project success. So if we take the example of the racing car development, if the development cost were to exceed to those plan, then their recovery from car sale could result in the selling price having to be increased. Time scale is the another factor. In this example of car, the car should be fully developed and proven in time for launch and the motor show. So these are the objectives of the project. Then we have project specification and project definition. A technical or performance specification usually originates from customers' stated requirements. So, contract between the customer and a contractor will be based on the specification, and therefore it is important that no significant element of the project is eliminated. Project definition is a process which continues after the contract and it continues till the final commissioning stage. Project organization is the next point. Project organization and the project manager. So obviously the person at the head of the project should be ideally be technically experienced and qualified in the type of work involved. The qualities of project manager should be: the project manager should be technically competent, effective planner, good controller, sensitive to the problems of change, a good project trainer, active, and a good motivator, etc. Next concept related to project management is cost estimation and budget. So cost estimation is necessary to estimate the final cost or the cost likely to fulfill all the work. Thereafter, planning and scheduling is the next concept. Every project must be controlled from a plan of working. So ideally, the promised project delivery date or completion date will have resulted from a careful planning. And for that, large project must be broken down into the smaller packages or groups of tasks for the purpose of planning and control. Controlling progress and the cost is the next concept. From time to time, it is necessary to monitor the progress in terms of value of work achieved, and for the same regular meetings may be arranged to review the progress. And the purpose of such meetings for communication routes in an organization and keep people together so that progress can be reviewed, disputes debated, and agreements reached on the spot. I hope all of you have understood the concepts which are related to the project management. Thank you.